Good morning. Today we're going to change the park light bulb in a 2012 F-250. It's not that big of a job, but we're going to go at her. As you can see, when you unlock the doors, you see one park light stays on and the other one just flashes for a second when you unlock the doors. That would be the signal light portion of the bulb that lights up. However, the park light itself is gone. The signal light still works on that bulb. I'll show you. The signal light portion of it still works, so it's just the park light that's gone. So let's put her by the garage and change it. To accomplish this, we got to take out 4 bolts across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. And there's a little push pin here holding a little flap inside. It deflects the air inside towards radiator. And then to take the casing off here, we got 1 bolt here, 2 bolts down the middle here behind the grill, and I believe 1 under there. So we'll start taking. These are 10mm bolts. Take them out. And then we'll take off the little clips. Not pretty easy. Little clips. Hold that rubber out, come off pretty easy. Now I'll try to show the little clips down there that take a big long screwdriver. There's a little clip there. Push down on it, releases it. Another one here. That's all that takes. Pushing them 4 clips. Not 4. Can't count. And you simply haul the radiator off, the grill off, and to haul the whole unit out. Like I said, there's going to be 4 bolts to remove. Also 10mm. 1 there. 1 there. 1 there, and 1 is in there. That should be fun to try to get back in again. I'll just lift the whole headlight housing off. A little plastic extrusion there goes into a hole here, just sort of snaps in a little bit. There. Just turn the bulb out. Looks pretty yellow there. Must be pretty hot. Here's the Sylvania bulb that was in the Sylvania number 3157NAK. Now the truck manual calls for a bulb replacement of 3157NA. Couldn't find any in 2 or 3 shops I stopped at, but it had the Silver Stars 3157As. I don't know what the difference is going to be. I might change the bulb on both sides. Because they do have I think I will probably have to, because they do have some kind of a little tinge to them. Anyway, we'll put it in. If it's a completely different color, I'll have to change the one on the other side too. I don't like touching any bulbs really. If we'll push that in there, we'll just go see if the park lights work before we put that together. Park lights working. Signal lights working. So let's just push that back in the bezel here, give her a turn, secure that, line up these prongs back in the hole here, one down there, one up here, give her a little snap in, grab the 4 bolts. Tighten up real tight yet. Real tight spot. Not losing the screws gonna be the problem. Be better. Tighten up this here. Up too much to strip them, just goes into the plastic. Okay, now what I'm going to do is have a look and see if there's a different color in the bulbs. I might have to change the other side too. And there definitely is a different. Numbers are a real hazy yellowish color. These ones are a more bright, vibrant color. So I gotta change the bulb in the passenger side too. Kinda figured that would happen if I couldn't find the original bulb. However, it only takes a second to change it. Now we just got to put her back together again. And so that goes. See where the 5 clips go in the bottom of the grill. So try to line them up. Give them a little push in. That. Have her little push pins to push back and hold that little rubber flap. I think it's an air deflector in place. Then we got her 4 bolts put back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, And I'm just going to snug them up the wrench, make sure they're not too tight with the impact wrench. I was scared of tightening things too tight and stripping it. And there we go. 2 park lights changed in 2012 F-250. Not very hard to do. Now it's time to go have some fun. See you in the next video.